Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail, Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're doing a quick walk-on video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss LT. This LT Trail Boss is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Silverado here, we have the power windows, power locks, power mirrors. We have a drivability dial for different driving modes, push button 4x4, fog lamps, in-bed lighting, and automatic headlamps there. A leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls on the opposite side with the black bow tie in the center there. Column shifter, push button ignition. We do have a large 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as Wi-Fi hotspot all in there. Dual zone climate control with heated front bucket seats, parking sensors front and rear, auto stop start, integrated trailer braking system. We do have USB charging ports as well. All black interior of the Trail Boss, locking bottom glove box. We have the Bose audio equipment as well all the way throughout. And taking a look at our leather heated Trail Boss LT seats up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss here, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac all-terrain tires on there. Blacked out door handles, window trim, and mirror caps with keyless entry on the driver's front door. You have your blacked out tubular OEM running boards as well. Vehicle does have the 2-inch factory lift up front, giving you that larger stance for those big tires, as well as ground clearance. Coming to the front, all Trail Boss LTs have the black front bumper, red tow hooks, fog lamps as well. This vehicle has parking sensors on the front, blacked out bow ties, LED daytime running lamps, and 6.2 on the hood. Z71 on the front fender. Rear tinted privacy windows coming to the back of the truck, mud flaps installed as well. Blacked out rear bumper with chrome toe, with the chrome dual exhaust tips, trailer tow hitch. You have the blacked out Silverado LT, as well as Chevrolet in the back of the tailgate there. LED tail lamps to wrap up the rear. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Silverado Trail Boss, leather 60/40 split in the rear. In-seat storage as that 60/40 split comes up, under seat storage, ample room on the ground should you need it. Rear sliding window with defrost, extra headroom carved out over top with LED lighting, USB charging ports in the back of the center console, and a single pane sunroof up front. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss LT. If this is your next V8 factory lifted crew cab pickup truck, come and see us here at GSL GM City or shop online at gslgmcity.com.